We divide the configuration of the leg into 3 or 4 parts. It is essential to pass each area carefully at least 2 to 3 times. And don't forget to go round and round. And now comes cross fiber friction, pressing both downward and upward. It's called peeling. It's like peeling skin off a fruit, but from the body. Do not forget my hands remain stretched. Bend the knee or knees as needed. Very good. Now we bend the foot at 90 degrees. And we will work the toes a little. We will work them with a finger friction. Each toe as much as we can. The foot massage is supposed to be done on the frontal part of the foot. But now we will get satisfied only with the back part. We will also do a mobilization of each toe. Understand? Rotations and tractions. We are now working on the intertarsal area. Well said. Also a friction. Here we cannot do a round friction, but rather we will do a more alternating and linear friction. We work in the ankle area where we could not work on the other side, and now we will do a flexation of the foot and an extension. So we will bring the foot towards the thigh. We will bend the leg on the thigh, and with my forearm, I will press the foot holding the palm on the heel. And then this way we produce a good flexation. And then we bring the foot down and we will extend it. Don't forget about your body weight. You will get bored of this aspect, but it is still very important. After doing flexation and extension, we will do a mobilization of the left ankle rotation and right ankle rotation. Okay, somewhere in the Achilles tendon area, we will hold one hand under the foot. Very good. We'll move on to the next leg. Hamstrings. Here again, we have important muscles. The bicep femoris. We work an alternating effleurage with alternating palms, with the crest of the fingers. And again, we start or continue with palm friction. Using round, okay? On both sides, and first one, then the other. Using both hands, and then with the ridge of the fingers. Is it okay, Christy? Or is it too hard? No? It's all right? Next with the thumbs. We use thumb friction. You can repeat this a few times. And now coming up is a cross fiber or a peeling. We go over the muscles. We go down. Then we come back. Then we move up higher and higher. We finish this part. We make a contour effleurage, and next a Petrissage or a kneading. Very important, this method. Under the action of this method are developed those substances that we talked about at the beginning, histamines, that produce vasodilation or hypermia, and hence a state of well-being that brings healing. It also squeezes the lactic acid out of the muscle. You will see this method done again in the back. And coming up next is the tapping. Tapping and hitting, also on the plantar side. All three methods I did on the dorsal decubitus. Now with the palm, and then with the fist. We are about at the end of the story at the foot. We will end with vibrations. They are very important. The skin is well vascularized and innervated. The nerve endings we stimulate with will reach the central nervous system, which in turn will act on the whole body. Before we do tractions, we will also do a mobilization. With an effleurage in the popliteal area, hear carefully, very carefully. We have blood vessels and nerves, so you want to make sure you do it very carefully. And the last phase, the shaking. Christy's feet are ready. Of course, then you will continue with the other leg. Moving onto the other side of the table, but you will do that yourself. Next, we will do the back. So we finished both legs on the back side. Now we'll take care of the back.
Hey, thanks for watching this presentation. My name is Bill, and I'm the voice behind this video. If you've not already subscribed to our channel, please do so by hitting the subscribe button. You'll get a notification bell every time we upload a new video. And if it's not too difficult, give us a like as well. This ensures that we'll keep being able to bring you great content and you'll get to hear me more. Leaving comments is also appreciated, and it helps us to know if we're meeting your educational needs.